UK VISE multi-rail RM system components can be used in all types of machining centres, including horizontal, vertical and 5-axis machining centres. There is a wide selection of module types available, so a multitude of various workpieces can be clamped. Multiple workpieces can be clamped simultaneously, which enables free directional machining, so for most workpieces, a maximum of 2 setups is required, even for the bigger ones. The repeatability of the fixturing setup is simple and guaranteed by the most accurate rail system on the market.